Hello and welcome. To solve this equation, we will start by factorizing this quadratic expression on the right-hand side. Now, since the coefficient of x squared is not 1, let us use the table method. The factors of 4x squared are 2x and 2x, while the factors of 9 are 3 and 3. But since the middle term is negative, let this be minus 3 and let that also be minus 3. Of course, you know that minus 3 times minus 3 is still going to give us plus 9. Now, 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. This also is minus 6x. And of course, minus 6x minus 6x is going to give us minus 12x. So we have that this can be factorized as 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3. So we can rewrite the original equation as x squared minus 3x plus 1 squared is equal to 2x minus 3 squared. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will move this term over to the left-hand side. When we do that, the equation becomes x squared minus 3x plus 1 squared minus 2x minus 3 squared is equal to 0. Now, when you look closely at this left-hand side, you're going to see the difference of two squares. Now, remember that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we can write this left-hand side as, let this be a and let this be b. We have x squared minus 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 3x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3. And of course, this is still equal to 0. Now let us simplify this. We have x squared minus 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus is plus 3 multiplied by, here we have x squared minus 3x plus 2x is going to give us minus x. 1 minus 3 is going to give us minus 2. This is equal to 0. Here, minus 3x minus 2x is going to give us minus 5x. 1 plus 3 is going to give us plus 4. And of course, we still have x squared. This is x squared minus x minus 2. And the product of these two is 0. Of course, you know that this statement simply means that either x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we have to do is to find the factors of plus 4 that add up to minus 5. And of course, those are going to be minus 4 and minus 1, because minus 4 times minus 1 is going to give us plus 4, while minus 4 minus 1 is going to give us minus 5. So we can factorize the left-hand side of this equation as x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 0. In this case, once more, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So all we have to do is to find the factors of minus 2 that add up to minus 1. And they are going to be minus 2 and plus 1. Because minus 2 times plus 1 is going to give us minus 2. while minus 2 plus 1 is going to give us minus 1. So we can factorize the left-hand side of this equation as x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. While from here we have that either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Of course, from here we have that x is equal to 4. From here we have that x is equal to 1. From here we have that x is equal to 2. And from here we have that x is equal to minus 1. So these are the 4 values of x that satisfy this algebraic equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.